Okay mga ka-chup-chup, andito tayo sa Philadelphia. So mag-city tour tayo. Sakay tayo dito sa Bus, Hope and Hope. Guys, so dito tayo, Hope and Hope, Philadelphia. Ikutin natin ito guys. Ayan. Okay mga ka-chup-chup, sobrang init dito sa Philadelphia. Grabe. Ito yung ating tour guide. Grabe yung lamig ko guys kapag hinawaan nyo, mas mainit pa sa damit na pinansya. Okay mga ka-chup-chup, samahan nyo ako dito. Ikutin natin itong Philadelphia dito. Ayan, pagmasdan nyo yung view ng Philadelphia, lalo na rin banda sa may nila doon sa unahan. So, check natin kung ano yung mga meron doon. Okay? So, please like and follow and then syempre subscribe my channel. Ka-chup-chup vlog. Yan. Please subscribe my channel guys. Para sa more videos natin. Okay? So, samahan nyo ako.
I can do what I want. I work here.
Dito
You
sa
don't work here.
Philadelphia.
Do what I say. It's kind of how this works. Alright? I say don't stand up if you don't work here. It is a really bad idea. And yet, I'm standing up. That's because I work here. Alright? Second, if I say duck, it's not a suggestion. It's a warning. Okay? There's a lot of low-hanging trees in the city of Philadelphia, and we will hit most of them. So your goal is to not get hit in the face. Alright? If you can do that and stay seated, you're gonna have a wonderful time. If you can't do those things, well, that's between you and Mother Nature. Okay? Don't blame me because you get hit in the face with a tree. From this point on, I'm expecting you to know that moving out of the way is accepted. Cool? Cool. Alright, so my name is Matt. I'm your tour guide. Down, feel free to let me know. I will be announcing the stops as we go to make it easier. Stop 6 is Love Park. Stop 7 is the Cathedral Basilica. Stop 8 is Logan Circle. 9 is the beautiful Rodin Museum. And 10 is the only prison in the world where you can leave voluntarily. Yes, Eastern State. You're gonna get off at the prison? Alright. Have fun. Don't talk to anybody you can't see. It's haunted. Alright, look to your left. This is the largest all-stone city government building in the entire world. Affectionately, it is known as Philadelphia City Hall. It took us 31 years and $13 million to complete. The building is made entirely of marble, limestone, and granite, largest masonry municipal building on the planet. If you look at the top of the building, you'll see the tallest statue of a trust fund baby in global history. That's Philadelphia's original city planner, Mr. William Penn. No, I did not call him the founder. There's 2 reasons. Number 1, you can't find someone on your left. This is the Swan Memorial Fountain, also known as Logan Circle. Stop number 8. Logan Circle is one of the 4
Okay mga
original parks in the city of
bababa na ako
Philadelphia.
guys, sobrang init dito sa taas, di ko na kaya. So sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa Philadelphia. Nakikita yung mga view. Yeah, dito rin nagja-jogging si Stallone. Sa Rocky Balboa. Dito rin yun, Philadelphia. Alam ko dito yun eh. Pero pwede yung search guys. Okay? Thank you. Bye! Okay mga ka-chup-chup, dito tayo ngayon sa Washington DC, sa Lincoln Memorial Park, kung saan nagsushooting yung mga Hollywood actor. Okay? So tatawid tayo guys, ayan. Tayo pupunta sa Lincoln Memorial Park. Ayan, tatawid tayo, muna tayo tumawid. Ayan na, pwede na, go na. Wait na syempre, tawid na tayo. Saan tayong turista rito guys? Problema, sobrang init. Tingnan nyo guys, ang itim ko na.
I'm just gonna sit here. I'm not photographing the gas station.
Pagod na mga ka-chup-chup. So, yun. Akit tayo doon sa loob. Ayan. Ito na, tignan natin kung anong meron sa loob. So guys, ito pala ang ano, nasa loob ng Lincoln. Okay mga ka-chup-chup, yan tower na yan, makikita nyo yan sa movie, sa Hollywood movie. Yung tower na yan. Grabe yung taas dito guys, nakakapagod. Okay, susunod na lang. Okay mga ka-idol, pupunta naman ngayon tayo sa White House. Makikita nyo, yan yung White House dito sa Washington DC. So guys, ang ganda rito sa Washington. The best. So kung makikita nyo yun, yung White House. Dito tayo ngayon sa White House. Ano to, I think sa gilid to ng White House. Hindi kasi pwedeng pumunta sa ano eh, sa harap. Tapos wag sa loob naman. Kailangan may reservation ka para makapasok ka. So mga ka-chup-chup, ito yung harap ng White House. So medyo ginagawa at syempre hindi tayo dyan pwede kaya hindi tayo sa gilid kanina. Okay? So susunod ulit nating videos guys. Please like and subscribe my channel para makita nyo yung mga ibang videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Maraming salamat and bye bye mga ka-chup-chup. God bless all. Bye.